Hello kids, I will teach you how to draw a balloon. Yay! So, first I'm taking a pen. You can take the pencil also. I'm starting from here, okay? So we will draw a circle. First I'm drawing like this, a semicircle. Then from here I will join this circle again. So let's do this like this, okay? So now I will join this like with a straight line, and here is the tail of our balloon. Okay, now my balloon has a thread also, okay? So now I am going to draw a thread like this, just double it. Okay, I hope you are drawing along with me and having fun. So now my balloon is made. Now let's just decorate our balloon. So now I will draw this circle, one more circle, one more circle, and this semicircle, one more semicircle, and some very small circles. With this, we have made our balloon. Now we will color it. Hey, I have colored my balloon. So you can see I have used this oil pastel colors from Camel to color my balloon. And to give the shades, I have applied a very less pressure on my crayons. So I hope you have made the balloon with me. So now you guys can color and enjoy drawing. Have a nice day.